Thursday. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. Got up about like 30 minutes ago. I'm a little sick. Well, recovering from sickness. Today my dad's over. He's gonna finish up drilling out the holes to put the heating coil in. My dad already started, so yeah. Gotta re-thread those holes. We had to buy that because the regular drill didn't fit here, so basically just have to drill out that hole, re-thread it, and then put the heating coil in, and we should be good. Yeah, the day is beautiful today. Then this car is so dirty. Like I literally, like you can't even see the purple like that no more. That's how dirty this car is. I need to wash this car. I might just wash it down real quick tonight. But today, this shit is way too dirty. Alright, so they're both re-threaded out. These are M8 bolts, which are 12s. I was gonna do M10, and then I realized that M10 is like 14mm bolts, and they're only 12. So we have the whole healy coil kit right here. Comes with the little re-thread, and then this is the part that you put inside to re-thread that. And then after you re-thread that, you take this piece right here, and then you, oh shit, nice. Well, you take that piece, whatever, and then you screw this in. After you screw this in there, it doesn't go all the way. And after you put this in, there's like a little tab on it. On that side, you just have to knock that out with like a flathead or something. Alright, so after it's done re-threading, you take it out, and then voila, you guys see it? You guys have threads. Now you gotta clean that up on the inside, and then that's when you put one of these in, which make it into a brand new screw. And then we also have a torque wrench, just to be safe, and I'm gonna put it right here. A torque wrench just to be safe, to torque it down to about, I think it's 18 pounds when I looked it up, I believe. So I'm gonna torque it down to 18, just so we don't over tie in and mess anything up. But yeah, once we finish this, put the manifold on. I have to go to work in like an hour and a half, an hour around there. But we're gonna try to put the shift up and everything. Try to do the throttle cable and everything too. So I also have this, which I'm gonna put on right now, the intake air temperature sensor, and this is the bracket that I was telling you guys about for the brake line, which now that I received it, I don't think it's gonna work because it needs to get mounted this way, and I think you can only mount it up this way because it looks like the bracket twisted. So I mean, we'll see. If not, so you guys, I'm just gonna end up modifying my stock one, and then just use that one. You gotta put it like,
yeah, put like
right in the, I gotta be like right in the beginning.
right in there, right there, in the beginning, right?
Alright, so the heater coil is in. Ran into a small issue, but we fixed it. Manifold is on now. Gonna get the torque wrench, tying it down. Torque it to about 18 pounds of torque, which should be it right. That's the only thing I'm gonna be able to do today because I got to work. That took more time than we thought. But yeah, so we're just gonna do that, and then probably like Sunday or something. Gonna just finish it up and then do the rest of the stuff that needs to be done. And yeah, my dad's gonna stay here. He's gonna try to fix the oil filter for me. Well, the sandwich plate, because remember, you guys remember, it's a little messed up. So he's gonna get the 25 for my Jeep and take it off and try to like sand it down and stuff while I'm at work. But yeah, so finally got it to work. Thank God. I'm not putting on the turbo now because I'm gonna send out the turbo to the same to my dude that powder coated myself. I'm gonna Cerakote it. Probably gonna try to Cerakote it like maybe like a gold. If not, then I'm just gonna do a black just so it doesn't get rusty and stuff. Because I'm not sure if I'm gonna be running a turbo blanket or not. But you know, I just want to Cerakote it because it's gonna get hot. I gotta Cerakote my exhaust too when it gets done, which is not nowhere near done yet. But yeah, got the intake air temperature sensor on also. This bracket is not really gonna work, I think. But yeah, I'm gonna see if my dad could look at it. Put the throttle cable and stuff on. Just try to get some stuff done while I'm at work. But yeah. Alright, what up, guys? It's the next day, and today we're gonna be putting on the shift linkage. I have a big ass mess in this car, but I'm gonna fix all of this up after we put the shift linkage and everything on, because I'm like missing tools. Yeah, I gotta look for some stuff. I gotta get my tools and stuff organized. But yeah, so we're gonna put the shift linkage on and yeah, finish up. You guys don't know, I got, where are they? I think it's in here. Here. Okay, we got solid shift linkage bushings. So this bad boy won't be moving nowhere, having no play. My dad right now is taking off the sandwich plate, so we could try to fix that. Drill out, or make the inside hole a little bit bigger, and see if it'll fit. If not, I'm gonna have to get another sandwich plate. But I just ordered a throttle body, gasket, TPS, 3-inch, 3-core radiator from G Plus, the same as that company that makes the hoses. So I was looking at the companies for radiator, and these dudes wanted like almost $400 for a fucking radiator. It's gonna do the same shit, so I was like, hell no. I'm gonna end up just getting a FAL fan and then customizing it a little bit so it can fit the radiator. But it has 1,300 CFMs, which is amazing. It's gonna be pulling a lot of air, which I'm gonna need for this build. So, but yeah, so let's get this segment of the video going. All right, so gotta take. These are some energy bushings. These are regular bushings. The other ones that have a solid. I gotta take these off. Obviously not coming off. I gotta get a flathead. But yeah, I gotta swap these out, and then swap out. Well, I don't have them on, but the other one goes here. All right, I have the shift linkage here. Oh my god, I broke my lens. All right, so this part, it's a part that goes inside, so this one goes here. But you guys know, where the hell did I? You guys know, anything aftermarket always gonna give you some type of issues. Well, it's not giving me issues, but it's not going in properly. So clean this off. Nice clean surface. It should just pop in. I might just need it banged in a little bit. It's on, a little banged up because I have to bang it in. Because obviously shifting is not new, but that's in. The bitch pin I lost, so I'm gonna just get one from my friend on Monday, or just order one. It's like $8. So I'm gonna just put everything on, and then just do this. I'm gonna connect that first, put this, and then go underneath the car to put the shifter up. I'm not gonna be able to do this again. They're gonna go in. Oh, I'm about to hit it in. And it's already cold outside, so it's fucking cold already, and it gets dark way too fast now. Alright. In. I believe that's neutral.
Pin goes there. Try to put this into neutral. Alright. So that's where the bridge pin goes. So I'm gonna leave that there.
You know how much small screw you put it through there? Well,
Just like that. She's on. I don't know if you guys can see, but so we gotta do it. I have to use these bolts because I didn't have anything that was long enough. Everything was short. But it's on, so I'm gonna hold it from the bottom. My dad's gonna hold it from the top. And we should be good to go. It is fucking freezing outside, and it is pitch black outside. Look at this. But yeah, we're about to be done.